how it's like to fly in the world's best premium economy class with Japan Airlines. Jao was recently
I was able to grab a reward flight for Japan Airlines in premium economy, and I will tell you how I did it. So first things first, what points do we need? If you have this credit card, the American Express Cobalt, or any of the RBC Avion points, like this one, or this one, and you have a couple of points sitting in your account, you probably have enough to book yourself a flight to Japan in premium economy with Japan Airlines. The most common question I get when I book flights is saan mo nakikita yung mga reward flights? And today I'm gonna share with you one of the strategies and the website I use to look for the flights. So this is AmericanAirlines.com. Please note we are not booking our flight under American Express. We're just using their website to look for flights. So say for example, you're planning a trip to Japan next year, gusto mong mag-cherry blossom. So I put here, kunwari lang tong date na to, March 3, 2025. You also want to make sure sa taas, dun sa book flights, naka-check mark yung redeem flights. I would actually suggest you to use your laptop or your computer to search for the flight kasi dito sa desktop version, meron siyang calendar. And if you click on the calendar, makikita mo kung anong dates yung mura. Like this example, March 3, 4, 5, mura siya. Mahal na siya ng March 7, but you can use March 8, 9, 10, or 11. So meron kayong idea saan mura ang reward flights. If you have a lot of points, you can also filter this. Nakalagay dito sa taas, business or first. But as you can see here, ang March, sobrang mahal kasi cherry blossom season to. So we can settle for premium economy. It's the best premium economy in the world. Para ka na rin naka-business class sa itsura. So we'll try to book that. So pag nakapili ka na ng date, i-click mo lang siya, and to make sure that you are booking Japan Airlines, makikita mo dito sa baba, hin-highlight ko siya, operated by Japan Airlines. So ito yung gusto nating date, Monday, March 3, 2025. So sabi ko kanina, hindi natin ibubook yung flight natin sa American Airlines kasi wala naman tayong points sa American Airlines. Ang gagamitin natin would be British Airways, and once you have your British Airways account, kailangan nyo ng account dito, you need to click on book and then book a flight with Avios. So ito yung next screen natin, same information, lalagay lang natin LAX to Tokyo, March 3, 2025, and doesn't matter if you put economy or whatever sa class, it will show you all the availability. And then ito na yung next na window. So makikita mo, March 3, pwede kang pumunta from LAX to Narita. Meron ding isang option LAX to Haneda. But we want the premium economy, so magpa-fly tayo sa Narita. So i-check or i-click nyo lang yan. And then magpapakita kung magkanong points ang kailangan natin at magkanong dollars ang babayaran natin. So for this example, we need 51,500 Avios points and we will pay 313 Canadian dollars. Kung wala kayong 51,500, meron mga ibang option dito. Sabihin natin, what if meron lang akong 36,000? So meron dyan 36,000 pero magbayad ka ng $564, which is not bad. Kasi kung babalikan natin yung American Airlines kung saan natin nakita yung flight, this is the same flight. For premium economy, it will actually cost you 1,815 per person. And this is in USD kasi nga American Airlines to. And converted to Canadian dollars today, it would be, magkano yan? $2,444 versus paying $313 and 51,500 Avion points. Kahit sabihin na natin na yung pinakamababang redemption ang kukunin mo, magbabayad ka ng $793 and you only have around 20,000 Avion points, this is still way better than paying 2,444 Canadian dollars for a premium economy flight with Japan Airlines. So balik tayo, paano mo ibubook yung British Airways na flight kung meron kang American Express credit card like the Cobalt? You can just transfer your Cobalt or American Express Cobalt points sa British Airways. So yung Amex rewards mo, magko-convert siya sa Avios. Avios is the points currency ng British Airways. Kung meron ka naman ng mga Avion na credit card galing sa RBC, pwede mo ring i-transfer yung Avion mo doon sa British Airways. Kung meron kang both, better kasi pwede mong pagsamahin yung points mo from Avion and American Express, magkikita na sila doon sa British Airways at magiging Avios na sila pareho. Ang maganda sa Avion, meron silang bonus like this one. Actually, I took advantage of this bonus before na kapag transfer mo yung points mo, meron kang 30% bonus. So say for example, meron kang 10,000 Avion points. Pag transfer mo sa Avios, magiging 13,000 points na siya. Ang maganda sa Avios, meron din silang tinatawag na household account. So kung meron kang Cobalt, meron ding Cobalt, American Express Cobalt yung asawa mo or yung partner mo, gawa kayo pareho ng account sa British Airways, tapos pwede nyong i-transfer yung points ninyo, tas magsasama sila dito sa British Airways Avios points. Take note na kapag nagtatransfer kayo ng points, dapat nagmamatch lahat yung name, address, tas kung ano yung name nyo sa passport, yun ang gamitin yung registration dito sa accounts ng mga airlines para pag nag-transfer ng points, wala tayong magiging problema. Kasi kung may discrepancy, hindi ma-approve yung transfer. Pwede siyang i-deny nung receiving or nung sending end. So for my case, meron akong Avios account. May Avios account yung asawa ko. Nagsama doon yung points namin. And I was able to book 3 premium economy flights using my points from Avion. Tas nagdagdag ako galing sa American Express Cobalt. So yeah, medyo information overload siya, but if you have any of these credit cards, those points are really valuable. Kung meron kayong tanong, comment nyo lang. I'll try to answer para matupad natin yung Japan dream trip natin.